Sterling, what do you got to say for yourself? Uh-oh. What are you doing down there? Ah, I see you. You can't escape. You're trying to hide, aren't you? I know your tricks. Don't, you're gonna walk off the edge. Yeah, there you go. You gotta climb off the edge. Climb down. Climb down. Uh-oh. Good boy, you're so good. Hey Sterling, show me how you throw a basketball. Sterling, here, throw the basketball. Come on, show us your skills. Whoa, good job. Okay, throw it over here. Throw it to Mama. Oh, we're gonna throw it out the door? Woo! Good job. You got it. Good job, buddy. Wow, you're just throwing that thing around like it's a little pebble, huh? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. You're pretty good with that ball. You gonna play in the NBA? You can play for the Lakers. Whoop. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.